Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm partnering with Bagsmart to show you two backpacks that have seriously impressed me with how organized they are. I'll be sharing how I organized the travel backpack carry-on as well as the roller backpack for a weekend getaway. As someone who is constantly organizing and trying to make life easier, I love finding products that help keep things functional and organized, not just inside the house, but outside of it. Today I'm packing as if I'm going on a small weekend getaway. So I put together a few outfits, I grabbed a few accessories, and some other essentials that I would normally use for a small getaway. This is the Blast Pro 43-liter roller backpack. If you're taking longer trips or family vacation, this one is a game changer. It has several different functions. You can roll it, you can wear it, you can carry it by the handle. I love that I have options depending on where I'm going. This bag features so many different compartments and pockets. It's crazy. You can organize anything. It's just so great, y'all. The color is amazing. The aesthetic, everything about this bag is just top tier. The quality is great. If you're like me and you love organization, you will love this bag because every item will have its own place. Now this bag is the Blast Pro 38 liters travel backpack. What I love is that it expands from 28 liters to 38 liters. This backpack can also be a carry-on compliant, so you can easily bring it on the plane without needing a larger suitcase. Y'all know how we always end up bringing home more stuff than we left with, so this extra space is really nice. It also has a 180-degree clamshell opening and a dedicated laptop compartment that fits up to a 15.6-inch laptop. Now it's time to pack. So I'm going to pack up everything I would normally take for a small weekend getaway, and I want you guys to see how easy it is to organize and pack using my new bags from Bagsmart. This backpack is carry-on approved. No check-in is needed. It fits most overhead bins as a carry-on travel backpack. I absolutely love the quick access pockets because I can easily grab my water bottle or my sunglasses or whatever I need without opening the entire bag. I absolutely love the pockets at the top. They help protect passports, cards, and tickets on the go. Because it is an easy access pocket, you can also store your wallet. For this video, I stored my earrings and my sunglasses and my fan. This carry-on has so many different organization options. It's crazy. And as we make our way inside of the interior again, the carry-on comes with a smart divider panel with dual levels to separate clothes, shoes, and gear. It also has a ventilated stowable shoe compartment that will keep the carry-on backpack fresh. And if you don't want the divider, of course it folds away to release maximum space, which I did show in option 1. Travel backpack carry-on also has 2 reinforced grab handles for flexible carry and padded shoulder straps with an adjustable sternum strap. The roller backpack also has a quick access top pocket for travel essentials. This backpack can also be a carry-on and is perfect for 1 to 7 day trips. No check-in is needed for this backpack. It's durable, water, and wear resistant with ripstop nylon. Another cool feature, these backpacks do have a RFID blocking pocket for card safety. The roller backpack does open like a suitcase for easy packing, and it comes with dual compression straps to keep everything in place, removable support rods for structure, and it has a velvet lined quick access pocket for delicate items. After packing both of these, what stands out to me the most is the organization. Every compartment has a purpose, and that makes getting ready for a trip so much less stressful. My favorite thing about both of these backpacks is honestly the organization. Y'all know I'm always trying to simplify life and keep things less chaotic, and these bags really help with that. The 38-liter backpack is perfect for commuting overnight trips and short getaways, and the 43-liter roller backpack is amazing for longer travel days, family vacations, or anytime you need extra space without carrying a heavy bag on your shoulders. I also love that everything has a designated place: electronics, shoes, toiletries, and even hidden compartments for important items. So if these travel backpacks caught your attention today, check out my description box. You can save up to 50% off for back to school. This is one of the biggest discounts they've dropped all year. You don't want to miss it. Hit the link, grab your favorites before they're all gone. I'm already excited to use these for upcoming trips and family adventures because I can tell they're going to make packing so much easier. Thank you again to Bagsmart for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to check out either of these backpacks, I'll have everything linked down below in my description box. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, y'all.